Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable YouTube shorts. When you open the YouTube, you can see the so many YouTube shorts out there in homepage. You can see that. I'm going to show you how to disable these shorts and put the limits. The first of all, you have to go to settings. After that, you have to go time management, and you can go to the down and you can see short feed limit. You have to turn on this and put the 0 minutes. After that, you have to back to home page and you have to refresh them. After that, you can see that there is no YouTube shorts. Even if I watch the YouTube shorts from there, it's gonna put limit. You can see this. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks in advance.